In this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact Wise customer service. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? Simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Wise customer support. Just like that. Now, simply click on the contact us right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and log in with your account. Simply go ahead and enter the code that was sent to you. Now, once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and go down to I need help. So you want to simply go ahead and select any of the problem that you are having. So let's just say, for example, I'm having problem getting verified. I'm just going to go ahead and do that, something else. And now you're going to be on this page where you can simply go ahead and click on chat. And as you can see, you can start a chat by entering your problem here and clicking on that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.